Refraction through convex surface from rare to denser medium. Today we are discuss the same topic but refraction from denser to rare medium, because both the topic are used to make the lens maker formula. Okay, let us try to derive the refraction through convex surface. Suppose that here is a this is the convex surface. This is a convex surface. Here is denser medium, and this is the principal axis which passing through the center of curvature. X and Y is here. In this curvature, the center of curvature lies left side. If we form a which is represented by C and this is represented by P, middle point. Suppose that there is a point object placed at this point. Then the light is emitted from this incident at the curvature, and the normal drawn from this. Suppose that this is normal. This is normal. And this angle is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. All of you know that the light rays moving from denser to rare medium always move away from the normal. This is normal. Away from normal is this. Here is image form, and this angle is called angle of refraction. This is alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay, and distance of object from the pole is -u, and distance of center of curvature. Since center of curvature in this figure is left side of the pole, therefore it is also taken as negative sign or this, and the distance of image is right side of the pole, therefore it is taken positive. Okay, now we draw a perpendicular from this on the principal axis. That point is called AM. AM is perpendicular. Okay. Refraction at A. Refraction at A. तो अगर हम रिफ्रैक्शन एट ए की बात करें तो यहाँ पे इस मीडियम में जो एंगल बन रहा है वो है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस आई, और यहाँ का जो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स है उसको हम लोग म्यू2 लिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज यूज म्यू2 फॉर द डेंसर मीडियम and mu1 for the rare medium. So this is a rare medium because in this figure light travel from denser to rare medium. Okay. नाउ रिफ्रैक्शन एट ए की बात करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इन दिस मीडियम इनटू एंगल ऑफ साइन, यानी कि म्यू टू इनटू साइन आई इज इक्वल टू म्यू वन इनटू साइन आर। फिर सेम कहानी है जिसमें आप लिखते हैं आई एंड आर इज वेरी स्मॉल, देयरफॉर साइन आई इज इक्वल टू, यानी कि साइन आई को जो है आप जो है इज नियरली इक्वल टू आप आई लिखते हैं एंड साइन आर को आप नियरली इक्वल टू आर लिखते हैं। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख लेते हैं बिकॉज म्यू टू आई इज इक्वल टू म्यू वन आर, इसको आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मान लेते हैं और यहाँ पे लिखते हैं आई एंड आर इज वेरी स्मॉल, आई एंड आर इज वेरी स्मॉल सिंस आई एंड आर इज वेरी स्मॉल। ये छोटा सा बात है। अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वहां पे सेम फार्मूला लगाएंगे कि इफ ट्रायंगल में एक्सटर्नल एंगल हुआ करते हैं, जैसे अगर हम लोग ये जैसे वहां पे लिखा हुआ था इसमें टॉपिक में डिस्कस किया था ओ ए सी ट्रायंगल लेंगे, तो इन दिस ट्रायंगल्स गामा इज एक्सटर्नल एंगल एंड अल्फा एंड आई इज इंटीरियर एंगल्स। So then we write here in triangle OAC, OAC is gamma is equal to alpha plus I. But we want to know about I, therefore it can be written as I is equal to gamma minus alpha. This is equation second. And similarly in triangle IAC, in triangle IAC, if we see that IAC, this angle of diffraction is external angle, that means R is equal to gamma plus beta, R is equal to gamma plus beta. This is third. From first, second and third, from equation first, second and third, we get that mu 2 I की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा गामा माइनस अल्फा, गामा माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू म्यू 1 गामा प्लस बीटा, गामा प्लस बीटा, दिस इज इक्वल टू इक्वेशन नंबर 4. But we have also seen that alpha is nearly equal to tan alpha, because alpha is very small. When angle is very small, then there is no differences between, there are very little differences, very small changes between alpha and tan alpha. Therefore, we write here alpha is nearly equal to tan alpha, which can be written as am upon om. But if alpha is very small, then in that case m tends to p. Therefore, it can be written as am upon ap. AP नहीं OP. Okay. Similar way, beta is equal to tan beta. Here is tan beta. Tan beta is equal to perpendicular upon base. That means AM upon Im. This is nearly equal to tan beta, which is also is equal to Am upon In. But same ways m tends to p, because aperture is small, therefore we can write here Am upon Ip. इसके बराबर लिख सकते हैं aperture when is aperture is small, then m tends to p, that means there is no differences between m and p, therefore we can write this in this way. Okay, similar way gamma is also equal to tan gamma, which is equal to Am upon Cm, which is nearly equal to Am upon Cb. Okay, we calculate here alpha, beta and gamma from equation 4. From equation 4 we can write here, we can write mu2 bracket gamma, what is the value of gamma? Am upon Cp, Am upon Cp minus alpha. Here is alpha is Am upon Op, this is Am upon Op is equal to mu1 in bracket gamma plus beta, in place of gamma Am upon Cp plus Am upon Il. Okay, we replace this in this side, left side, and Cp is sent outside, other side. Okay, in other side. So here is in that case minus Am. One Am in this and in this all are common, therefore we can cancel Am. We can write here mu2 upon Cp minus mu2 upon Op, which is equal to mu1 upon Cp plus mu1 upon Ip. Okay, now we can write here mu1 upon Ip minus mu2 upon Ob is equal to here mu1 minus mu2 upon Cp. But all of you know that the value is taken here, mu1 upon Ip is what? Ip is V, and minus, that means minus, or here is also minus, so minus plus, this is mu2 upon U plus is equal to, here we take the minus sign. No. This is minus because this is moved from this and this side. Okay. This is minus. Mu2 upon U. Here is minus, mu2 minus mu1 upon minus R. You can write here this formula. mu1 upon R minus R. So this is the formula for refraction at convex surface from denser to rare medium you can take a screenshot of this and also write in your copy. Okay.